Now, today's lesson, we're going to be looking at matrices. Now, a matrix is made up of rows and columns. What do I mean? If you have that matrix, it is made up of 2 rows, that's row 1, and row 2, and it is also made up of 2 columns, column 1 and column 2. Now, whatever matrix it is, you always read it row by columns. So, if you had a matrix that looks like this, you would read it as two rows and 3 columns. Now, the first number always represents your row, and the second number always represents your column. And this gives us the order of the matrix. There are many things that you can do with a matrix. You can add a matrix, you can subtract a matrix, you can multiply a matrix, but you cannot really divide one. So how do you add a matrix? The first thing you have to have is the same order in the matrix. That means you must have the same number of rows and the same number of columns to add a matrix. So if we have this matrix here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to start with, and then 0, 1, 3, 4, 7, 6. And we're asked to add these matrices. You would simply add the corresponding numbers for a matrix. So you will add 1 to 0, so that's 1. Then 2 to 1, that's 3. 3 to 3 is 6. 4 to 4 is 8. 5 plus 7 is 12. And 6 plus 6 is 12 as well. So the answer at the end will be 1, 3, 6, 8, 12, 12. And that is how you add 2 matrices. Another example, if you are given 10, -1, 2, 7, once again, you have to ensure that you have the same number of elements or the same order for both matrices. So we have 1, 7, 0, 5, and we're going to be adding both these matrices. To do that, you will do 10 plus 1 is 11, and you have -1 plus 7 is 6, 2 plus 0 is 2, and 7 plus 5 is 12. So your final answer would be 11, 6 to 12.